my permission.
You guys are so crazy.
Joey Gordo.
Oh, fuck.
These pillows fucking suck.
How much shit did you get?
I didn't do anything.
In the
Oh
head.
shit, that kinda hurt.
Go back. Oh. No, I'm just gonna cut this little strap. I don't.
Why would you zip out your glasses to the fire sprinkler?
I don't know, dude, because I'm a dumbass apparently. I don't know, you guys are just watching this.
I mean, we've been waiting for you to get home for the last half an hour so we can watch it.
Boom. Moving on up to the gloves. Oh man.
Don't shit at me. I got his top kit, his ski pants,
That's what
his
we did.
boots.
Oh, God. Dude, I'm gonna cut those, dude.
Turn that inside out.
Boom, boom. Got it.
Oh yeah, I did that one too.
Kid, go away. I don't care. Do some more. Oh, you do some more stuff. Is there anything else other than this?
I don't know. I think that's
I
it.
don't know, I can't really remember.
Alright.
Oh.
I'll just sleep like that.
Nice.
And we're good. What else is there?
Your dog kit.
Oh, what?
Your dog kit.
What's that?
Your bathroom bag.
Oh. Where did that go? Dude, where did you just put it in there? Crank that shit down. This was like some old couple.
Yeah, this is so what?
Double up on this.
Gotta hide it though, so they can't see the zip ties.
Just turn it around.
You tied it.